Hi. In this video, we will learn about launching the Excel application.
I recommend using Excel 365 for this course. This will give you access to all of the latest features and powerful new functions in Excel. To get Excel 365, you can go to office.com or microsoft.com. Excel 365 comes with other apps like PowerPoint, Word, etc. and is part of the Microsoft 365 package. You can select a subscription plan or you can go for a free version. The free version works on the web and it has all of the new functions. But it doesn't have the Power Query, Power Pivot, macros, and VBA. If you get a subscription plan, you can download and install the Excel app onto your PC. This also gives you the full access to the powerful new features in Excel. Once you have installed Excel 365 on your PC or laptop, you can launch the app to start working with it. Now let's see how you can launch Excel for the first time. I'm using a Windows 11 PC version for this demo. First thing to do is go for the Windows Start button. So it's on the taskbar over here. Or you can click on the Windows key. And this will open the Start menu. If you can't see your Excel icon over here, you can search on the search bar. And you can find the Excel app over here. So if you're using Excel all of the time, I recommend that you pin the Excel app to the Start button. And also you can pin it to the taskbar. One click and it will launch Excel from here. Now even if you close Excel, you can open it again from the taskbar over here. You can also open it from the Start button. If you can't find the icon here, you can scroll down. And once you find the icon, you can drag it to where you want at the top.
Thanks for watching.